Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be discussing about Bitcoin short-term, long-term. I'm going to talk about Altseason, when I'm thinking to buy, when I'm thinking to sell and to get out from this market, when I think is going to be the end of the bull market. So give me a favor, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. We post one video about crypto trading every single day. Guys, I'm going to cut the chase and straight away I'm going to go into Bitcoin long-term, what's happening over here. I can see lots of people getting scared right now, telling me this is the top, we're not going to go over. And you can see, for example, from here, this logarithmic chart of Bitcoin showing lots of strength from here. And looks like Bitcoin is actually ready to go and break this important level of Fibonacci extension from here, going to price discovery and go to 154,000. And the question is Bitcoin ready to leave the train from here and go to a new all-time high, or are we going to see one more deep short term? A very important catalyst, guys, for Bitcoin to go and break this area over here and then to go to the next one, which is actually at $154,000. And I'm going to tell you this, guys, I believe that Bitcoin is probably going to top up in this bull market in between 110 to 100 and probably 40 or $50,000, and then we're going to have a full-blown bear market. I don't believe 200,000. I don't believe 300,000. But again, it's my opinion, non financial advice. Do trade at your own risk. I'm not a financial advisor. So I think that probably we are going to see, once it's going to be able to break this area over here, maybe in Q1 2025, we should be seeing like a pump up to here and then a full-blown bear market going back to 30,000 to 40,000. And of course, guys, now at the moment Bitcoin has been ranging up and down, is going up 5%, down 7%. Could be another, as I said before, another short-term correction coming right now this week, and I'm going to show you why. And I don't know what to say, but in our VIP group, guys, we've been trading all these altcoins every single day. And I mean, the results, I don't know what to say anymore, to be honest. Look at the results here. And I'm showing you the proof. Transparency every single day. We are just placing calls after calls after calls, myself and my pro members as well. And look at the results. Really, it's insane. Totally insane. During the weekend, we were shorting ADA, Uni. Look at that, all these altcoins, all these calls register over here from myself, from my pro members. We post Bitcoin analysis, altcoin analysis every single day, spot trading as well. We have a huge list of buying levels, selling levels. We have also education as well. We have so much stuff on this platform over here. So if you are new to trading, you're new to crypto investing, you're an investor, you're a trader, short-term, long-term, guys, the VIP group is the way to go. If you want to join, come on this link over here, link in the description, retail trader over here, as well as our trading results for the past 10 months, guys. Everything documented to show you that we are probably one of the most transparent channels up there. But now let's go back into Bitcoin and see what's happening. So again, looks like, from a long-term point of view, things are looking very, very good. You can see the RSI from here about, to cross the 70, probably going up to 88 or 90 for these next 3 months. That would be, amazing. You can see also the stochastic RSI potentially going up to this area over here and then form like a double top from here. Also remember, very, very important, is that once you're going to see a crossover from here with the stochastic RSI, I'm going to show you exactly where it is. I'm going to cancel this one here so you can see better. Once you're going to see this blue line here going below this orange line like that, when you're going to see a crossover, there's probably going to be a time where you have to be quite careful. I'm not going to say that it's the end of the bull market, but we have to be careful in that regard. So that's what I can see right now with BTC. And of course, guys, what is the catalyst that is going to ignite this crazy rally? Donald Trump inauguration. 20th of January is going to be pro-crypto. He's going to fire Gary Gensler. He's going to establish the Bitcoin strategic reserve. I mean, in my opinion, is going to be super bullish. Unless he's going to say something, that's investors are not going to like, implementing tariffs and all of that. That could potentially not cause an explosion to the upside. Now, let's have a look a little bit more into, are we going to have a short-term pullback, or this is actually, let's see, we're going to go and, blast off to 140K. So basically what I'm doing right now, I'm taking what we call the volume footprint map. Basically measures like inside the candles, what's happening inside the candles. And what I actually don't like, lots of people are saying right now, oh yeah, we're going to go to 200K because of this, because of that. I'm super bullish. In my opinion, this doesn't look too bullish. Okay, so look at that. We had a total of 280,000 over here with volume, delta minus 12. So basically they sold minus 12,000 of Bitcoin around the 16th of December. And although we had like a nice candle coming up to here, we're still having experience in this negative delta over here. In general, what do you want to see in a proper reversal? You want to see something like that, like a 10,000 positive delta. But look over here, we go red, 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 red. Now a little bit here is showing up a little bit in this new candle, but is that sufficient, right, to actually tell us, to be convinced that this is the new rally to new all-time high, or are we gonna do like something like this and then have a like another push to the upside? I'm gonna show you in this video, so stay with me until the end. Very important. And basically, I'm gonna show you from here. You can see that the structure right now looks nice. We are pumping to the upside, 99,150. This looks great in my opinion, right? We have our beautiful diagonal support from here, our Fibonacci in place, and that's what I want to show you right now. Before, we used to be into this parallel channel from here. We used to be inside here, like that, and basically, we broke from the channel, and now we are trying to go back up to the channel from here. You can see that. Now, the question is, I'm going to turn very, very bullish again when we're going to be able to climb back into this channel over here. Then I can say, I am bullish. But right now, still, what we could be experiencing from here is going to be an ABC correction and then have a big push to the upside. And why am I saying that? First of all, because of the negative delta I show you on the volume footprint. But at the same time, what I want to make sure is that BTC is ready to go and climb back up, because whenever we broke the structure over here, that was actually quite strong. And in general, what you see is kind of like I will show you in terms of Elliott waves. Anybody of you guys utilizes Elliott waves, let me know if I am right in the comments. But this could probably be A, B, and then C. Okay, so, and this actually makes absolutely sense, because we have a beautiful diagonal support around this area at 87 to 88,000 dollars. Bitcoin could be easily going up to this area, find some resistance from here, and then to go down here, and then from there, finally, is going to be able to go up, back up again. Because theoretically, I'm going to go and cancel all of that. Theoretically, we are still into an ascending channel. We could actually be designing this ascending channel like that and then like that, and you can see that we're basically going up this way. So we could be seeing either something like that, okay, or we could be seeing maybe this and then this up to here. So very difficult to say what is going to be what, but the way I'm actually understanding if this one is actually a real climb back up, a real reversal pattern from here, is the following over here. I'm going to show you. I'm going to go here, highest point to lowest point, draw my Fibonacci retracement. And in general, what do you want to see? If Bitcoin is really going to go and I would say break the structure, you want to see BTC to close above this area over here. But if it's going to go here and then it's going to have a strong rejection from here, then I would be a little bit concerned that what we could be seeing could be sort of a 1, 2, and then 3 again. Also bear in mind that this structure over here looks like what we call a head and shoulder. So head and shoulder is this one, and right now what it could be forming, it could be another shoulder down to here, which then if it breaks down is going to bring us back down to here. So maybe from there we could be going down to here. And that definitely could be a possibility, down to maybe 85, 86,000. So how am I protecting myself and what am I doing with my portfolio? Guys, as I always say, I have 90% of my Bitcoin already sold them. I'm going to sell 100% if you're going to go to 110, 120. Altcoins, I have a big bag of altcoins right now, but the majority of my money was in Bitcoin. So if you're going to go down to here, I'm going to buy much more. Right now, I'm basically chilling. I'm just trading every day with my VIP group and making very good money, I must say. You can see the results, from here, guys. Can't lie from me. Can't lie. The results are all here to all our members. So that's it. Don't need to complicate your life too much about, what am I gonna do? Buy, sell. That's it. We're gonna go down here. We buy more. I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna let Bitcoin ride and also start with Altseason as well. So that's it. And you can see much better from here, guys. More like a short-term point of view with Bitcoin. We go up to this area, golden pocket area. What is it going to do? It's going to go up to here. It's going to get a rejection and then down again. Maybe I'm going to place a short position. If it's going to do this and then close above here, retest here, then I'm going to open a long. So let's see. I'm just waiting for BTC to see and to decide, what he wants to do. But I mean, look from here, like, it looks good. Could be the formation of head and shoulder. It could be also what we call an Adam and Eve pattern. You can see that the pattern doing this and then doing this. The other thing we could be forming right now is also down to here, an inverted head and shoulder. You can see this one, you can see this one, it could be doing something like that, and then break to the upside. So the possibility are really so many. That's why I'm saying you gotta be in the VIP group, guys, because what we do, you need to understand even from here. If you want to trade short term, you need to understand when is the right time to enter or not. Right now is not the right time to enter because you had to wait for the extremes all the time. Something else which is not convincing me as well about this pump over here that I can see, I'm a little bit skeptical. We could be seeing 101, 102, and then drop down to here. Is the fact even on chain, you can see, for example, here on chain. I'm gonna move it for you so you can see a little bit better. I'm gonna go on aggregated liquidity delta. You can see that right now, even from here, in the last 3 or 4 days, although the Bitcoin price is actually going higher on the fourth, they're still selling. They're still selling a little bit. That's why it makes me a little bit doubtful. I'm not saying like that's we're done now with the bull market and it's not gonna go higher. But I'm saying that there's lots of red over here that selling in spot, which means that they're pumping the price with futures, and they are pretty much uh, like offloading like the Bitcoin, selling their spot Bitcoin from here. So that's why it doesn't really convince me. That's why I'm like, maybe it could be like another little drop off before we take off again, and then finally Bitcoin leaves the train station. Now I think it's enough with BTC because I'm pretty sure I annoyed you so much already. I know you want to talk about Altseason, guys. Altseason, very very simple, total free, in my opinion, short term. If you watch my previous videos, everything documented. I was saying that the big boys were buying. I said that's when we were like in 900,000. I said, guys, there is so many good orders from the big boys. Look how much they're buying. It's gonna go higher. And in that video, I even received, fun enough, was the only video I received around 50 likes and like 12 dislikes. Incredible, which went exactly as I said, and I got these 12 dislikes. I don't know what to say sometimes. But looking at the crypto total market cap, guys, the logarithmic chart looks, in my opinion, amazing, and I'm gonna show you why. First of all, you can see that over here we were down here. Just watch my previous video. We were down to here, and I said this thing is gonna rip up, and we went up like crazy. Okay, we went up to here. We probably form a potential bull flag, and this bull flag is going to continue. It's gonna bring us to $1.7 trillion market capitalization. Now, what is it gonna be happening when we go to $1.7 trillion? Well, the answer is very very simple, is that once you're going to go to that area, you have to be very, very careful, because once you go up to there, everything is going to be extended. I mean, think about it. 700 billions are going to go into the altcoins market. Some of them are going to 7x, 6x, 7x, 8x, or something like that. So what I'm going to do myself, once you're going to go to that area, I'm going to assess the situation. I'm going to see where we are, and then I'm going to decide whether to sell maybe 70%, 80% of my altcoins. Some people are speculating we're going to go up to 5 trillion, 8 trillion, 25 trillions. Well, they can say whatever they want, but again, to me, that's a very important technical target. I want to see what's going to be happening there. That's why, guys, I'm saying come with us here, because we talk about this every single day. And then I'm going to decide whether it's the right time to get out or I'm going to stay in again. Even you, for example, look at the other total market cap. This chart looks, in my opinion, beautiful. It's a beautiful chart. Look at the monthly chart. Crossover over here in October. That's what you want to see from an Altseason. Potential cup and handle pattern, which is basically this and then this. Once it breaks up to this area, you can calculate as a first target up to here. And then what you can do, you can even go from here to here, put it over here, brings you even up to like 763 to 800 billion dollar market cap. So what it means that look at that. That's perfection. Beautiful. I love this kind of charts. If you're going to go up to, let's say, $800 billion market cap, like 3 times what it is right now, and the other market cap, it's the total crypto market cap excluding the top 10, which means that all of these coins have like $2 billion, $3 billion, even less market cap. So think about it, injecting another 500 billions, what is it going to happen to some of these altcoins? You put 10 billions to each of them, and they're worth only 2 billions. And you can see 6x, 7x, 8x, with no problem. Not all of them, of course, but I would say some of them that actually could do very, very well. So that's what I can see for crypto total market cap, guys. And the last thing I would like to show you as well is about a DXY. DXY dollar currency index measure the strength of the US dollar compared to all the other currencies. And usually when this one points to the upside, in general, this is never good. Okay, so what it means that if it's going to continue to go higher, the problem is that if you think about BTC to US dollars, so one BTC is worth like 100,000 US dollars. If this is going to increase in value, then of course Bitcoin is going to go down. Okay, that's very, very simple. So what I would say is that DXY as well looks incredibly extended right now. I'm still expecting a retest of this breakout from here. So we can see the breakout. We went up to this area. There is an important level of support around here. And I keep saying this to you guys. You can see that by over here. I can just put it this way. Around this area over here, probably around June, July, August, what we could be seeing with the DXY is going to be a sort of this, and then boom, explosion to the upside. So, of course, when this is going to go up, probably it's going to be because of a recession, because of something very, very bad happening. But when it's going to go down, that is going to really put lots of headwinds to the cryptocurrency market and also the stock market. So I'm expecting this final parabolic blow of top in probably Q1 coming 2025. Maybe Q2, who knows? But again, that's what I can see. Sorry, one more thing I want to show you today, very important, Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance, as everybody is asking me about the Bitcoin dominance, which is very important. I mean, you can see as well, BTCD, guys, we're still at 57%. Altcoins are doing already very well. My target for the Bitcoin dominance is actually over here. I would say that we can actually go down to the golden pocket area around here, so 47%. That could be definitely a possibility. I would say as a base case scenario, probably down to 53%, down to here. So I would say as a next movement for the BTC dominance is going to be this. You can see we broke already this area over here. We could be seeing maybe 1, 2, 3 rejection from here down to here, pump up to here, and then maybe one last down to here. Again, what I want to do is I want to have a look in terms of whenever I'm going to get out with altcoins. I want to see where we are from here. So, for example, if you're going to go and be at this area over here, 52%, total free is already up, let's say, in this area, and altcoins have already done the one I invested in. They've already done, I don't know, 4x or 5x. I'm probably going to get out with lots of my coins. Okay, I'm not going to be stupid enough to say, oh no, I'm pretty sure it's going to go down to here, so I'm going to hold. No, I'm going to get out 70, 80%, wait for a big correction to come, and then probably get in again. But remember, guys, that's how you make money in trading and investing. You just have to find these points of maximum opportunity. Sell when the indicators are telling you to sell, and that's about it. But don't be greedy and don't be fearful. That's super important. So that's it, guys. I think that's it for today. I really hope I gave you a little bit of a hope in regards to this cryptocurrency, situation with this bull market, if it's the end or with your altcoins. But as I always said, remember this. Remember what I did. I was 80% into Bitcoin and 20% in altcoins in my portfolio. I sold already 90% of my Bitcoins. I now have only my altcoins. So the majority of my money right now is in cash. So this is financial advice. Be careful, be careful, be careful. Crypto is highly speculative. It's really volatile. So don't put the money that you can't afford to lose. Okay. Remember all of that. Maybe get a second job that you could just, earn more money that you don't need, and then do whatever you want with that. But be very careful, please, because lots of people got wrecked because of being in crypto and then over leverage and putting money into these meme coins and all of that. So be very careful with that. But otherwise, I wish you a great day, and I'm gonna see you tomorrow for another video. Take care and see you soon.